In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change image resolution and size in Clip Studio Paint. If you've ever needed your artwork to be larger for a print, smaller for the web, or simply a specific dimension for a client, this walkthrough will show you the cleanest way to do it without guesswork. Start by opening your project in Clip Studio Paint so you can see the canvas you want to adjust on screen. Next, head to the top menu and choose Edit, then select Change Image Resolution. This opens the key dialog where all the resizing happens. Think of this window as the control center for how big your image actually is and how it's interpreted for print. Inside the dialog, you'll see width and height. These control the pixel dimensions if your units are set to pixels, or the physical size if they're set to inches or centimeters. If you want to keep your proportions intact, make sure the option to maintain aspect ratio is enabled so your artwork doesn't stretch. You can also change the unit from pixels to inches or centimeters if you're targeting a specific print size. When in doubt, for digital use, pixels are the most straightforward. Make sure the scale or resample option is selected. This is crucial. When it's on, Clip Studio Paint will actually add or remove pixels to change the size of your artwork. That means the image itself becomes larger or smaller, not just the way it's labeled. If you turn resampling off and only change the resolution number, your pixel dimensions won't change. Only how densely those pixels are packed for printing will change. For a true size change, keep resampling on. You can also adjust resolution, measured in dpi. This value matters most for print. A common target is around 300 dpi for high quality prints. While screens don't rely on dpi in the same way because they display pixels directly, if you're preparing for print, set your desired width and height along with a suitable dpi, and with resampling enabled, the program will calculate the pixel dimensions needed to match that physical size. After you've set width, height, and resolution to your needs, click OK to apply the changes. The canvas will update immediately. Zoom in and pan around to check edges and line work. Upscaling too much can soften details, especially with raster art, so if you notice blur, consider more modest increases or upscale in smaller steps. Downscaling generally sharpens, but very aggressive reductions can make fine lines look crowded. That's it. With just a few thoughtful adjustments in the Change Image Resolution dialog, you can resize confidently for print or digital without sacrificing clarity.